Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace front brake pads on a Toyota RAV4. First, gather your essential tools, including a jack stands, and a lug wrench. Ensure your vehicle is on a level, stable surface with the parking brake engaged. Safely lift the vehicle, secure it with jack stands, then remove the wheel nuts and the wheel itself to expose the brake assembly. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe repair. Next, we'll focus on removing the old brake pads. Locate the two caliper guide pin bolts, usually 14mm or 17mm, and loosen them. Carefully pivot or lift the caliper off the rotor, making sure to support it so it doesn't hang by the brake line. Now, you can easily slide out the worn brake pads. Take a moment to inspect your brake rotor for any deep grooves or uneven wear. Now it's time to install your new brake pads. First, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing using a C-clamp or a brake caliper compression tool. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Insert the new brake pads, ensuring any shims are properly seated. Carefully slide the caliper back over the rotor and tighten the two guide pin bolts to their specified torque. For the final steps, reinstall your wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically around 76 foot-pounds. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This restores pressure to the caliper piston. Finally, take your Toyota RAV4 for a cautious test drive at low speeds to ensure the brakes are functioning correctly and safely. Congratulations, you've replaced your front brake pads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.